Okay. Sad, dead bird.
Yeah.
It's not a baby, though.
It's an adult. It's good it's not a baby. There's been too many babies.
Going for a bike
We
ride.
just went on a bike ride. I feel like I'm repeating you.
You are. Alright, I'll just keep this on.
Yeah, just keep it on while you ride your bike. That'd be cool. Maybe. Or it'll
Bye,
be
dead
like
birdie.
Oh, and there was another dead bird.
Ow!
There was another dead bird, but it's only feathers now in a small pile.
Where?
All the way down. Don't you remember that one? I almost like ran over it every time I would go to your house.
Alright, you wanna go around the block?
Sure, it's down there. It's another dead bird. Our YouTube account.
Hi! Okay. That was Aki. Here, I'm still recording. Ow!
See, look, it's just feathers now. Right here.
Oh! Oops, I didn't really get it. No. Okay, this is a boring video. Don't ram into me. Okay. Emma,
Yeah.
we should turn. Ugh.
Hi. I don't even think it's showing me at all. You're just showing the sidewalk.
Well,
Hi.
hi.
Hi. I said hi, not bye.
No, not hi. Or bye.
I'm wearing a lot of pink.
You're boring.
Oh, Katie, I think I might dye my hair today.
Dye your hair?
Yeah, I just decided.
Okay.
Maybe a little more.
So,
I really like red hair.
I look crazy. Emma,
Sorry.
here's Megan's house.
Who's?
Megan Ladd.
Oh.
Bye, Megan. Hi, Megan. Elena's house is past there. Yeah. I think this is like Jill's old house.
No, not her. Maybe it is. I don't know.
Her.
I love this house right here. It's like my favorite house.
Which one? No one's ugly.
Oh, it's so pretty. This is my dream house.
We circles. No. Let's go. Ah! Ow! Ow! Ah. That person was laughing at me.
Oh.
Okay.
I know when I came home with a really crazy outfit on.
Alright, I'm stopping film.